Hi. Hello world. Good morning. Yeah.
For volunteer, you got
Today is Tuesday. So, oh yeah, time check is
Did you copy?
10 in the morning. A temperature of negative 33. Negative 33.
Harry Brown, got a commentary back.
It's totally cold outside. Yeah. Ganito magtrabaho tayo dito. Let's do it. Sa ayos sa gusto natin. Kailangan magtrabaho. Yan ang pinunta mo dito. Oh yeah. Jesus Christ, paano masasurvive na ito ngayon yan sa ganitong kataas ng temperatura. Yeah. Pero kakayanin natin.